Sledgehammer's Edge universe. And thank you so much for still being here. This is actually what inspires and motivates me. Thank you so much for still being here. Now, in my first episode, I told you why I had started this community, my vision, my dreams, everything just for you. My second episode talked about a hint of certain planets that are going to work for you 24/7 to get you to iconic and legendary. In this episode, I'm going to actually tell you why you need to join and who all can walk into my community. Well, first of all, why do you need to join? If you have a vision, if you have a dream, and if you want to become iconic and legendary and change the way the world exists, you need to be part of this community. Now, who is it for? Students, 100%. There's no two ways about it. I'm very, very passionate about working with students. Young budding professionals, young budding entrepreneurs, artists, performing and non-performing artists, writers, authors, thinkers, people who are harboring visions, dreams, desires to be iconic. Then you need to be here with me and traverse a journey of a lifetime. Now, in my next episode, I'm going to start telling you about the planets that exist in this community, in this universe created for you, just for you. So, stay in touch, be inspired. See you very, very soon.